Hey everyone, how's it going? In my last video that I created, I showed you how to create a free business email at me@mydomain.com that you route through Cloudflare's email routing to a personal Gmail address. All right, all this is completely free. Here's the thing that I kind of missed in that last video that we need to fix. When you go to send an email from that me@mydomain.com, chances are it's going to land in spam. This is what's been happening. Okay. Why? The reason being, you send an email from me@mydomain.com. The receiving email servers get this and they go, why is this coming from Gmail? Why is it coming through Cloudflare's routing? Doesn't know. So what we need to do is set up the SPF record so that when you go and you send an email from me@mydomain.com, it lands at that receiving email server and the email server sees that, oh, it's all set up. This is supposed to be coming from Gmail servers. Cool, check. It's coming through Cloudflare. Cool, check. Let's go ahead and drop this in the inbox instead of sending it to spam. All right. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. We're going to jump on over to Cloudflare and we're going to configure this the proper way. So we go on over to Cloudflare. If you have multiple domains, you're going to log into your domain. Right now, I'm logged into my DeCiaDigital.com domain. Over here on the far left in our navigation menu, we have DNS. All right, it's what's fifth or sixth down. We're going to expand DNS. Click on it. Very first option right underneath DNS is records. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on records. Once in records, we got all kinds of different records here. We're going to go down, and if you don't already have it, you're going to want to create a text record, but I already have it right here. DeCiaDigital.com is the name, and that's what you'll want to do when you go to create your text record if it's not already there. And then you're looking for this V equals SPF1. All right. We're going to go all the way over to edit because, again, I've already got it. And what you're going to see here is that this is purposely wrong. All right. This is not configured right. If I was to send an email from this email, my professional Sean@DeCiaDigital.com email address, it's going to, chances are, land in spam. Not always, but chances are it's going to land in spam. So we need to fix that. And here's how we fix it. We go on over and we grab the proper SPF record, and I will have this in the description down below. All right. We go on over here, we take this out and we pop in the new one. So let me kind of blow this up for you. I'm going to blow it up really, not really big, but big enough that you can read it, right? And see what we got right here. We have include google.com. All right. So when I send an email from Sean@DeCiaDigital.com and it lands at the receiving email server, okay, server's not going to be, wondering what's going on here. I'm letting it know, hey, this is legit. It's supposed to be coming from Google. And hey, this isn't huge, but this does help. All right. Include it. It doesn't hurt to include this. And hey, this is being routed through Cloudflare. Okay. So you include that, you click on save, and boom, you're good to go. This is going to dramatically reduce the chances of your emails that you send from me@mydomain.com landing in spam when you send an email. Let's test this out just to see what it looks like. I'm going to go over here and we're going to pop into my this is my personal DeCiaDigital@gmail.com address. And again, if you want to see how this works and want to have this all set up, if you haven't gotten it set up yet, the other previous video is in the description down below. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click on compose. And right here it's defaulting to the personal Gmail address. I'm going to use this drop down because I've got my send receive set. And again, that's in the other video. And here I want to use this one, Sean Elliott _DeCiaDigital. And this is coming from Sean@DeCiaDigital.com. That is my professional email address. All this is completely free, folks. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. We're going to send this to a brand new Gmail address that I just set up today. It's for another project I'm working on. In my other life, I'm a bookkeeper. bookkeepercommand@gmail.com. Okay. We're going to do test, if I can type properly, and we're going to send that off. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to that other Gmail address. We're going to pop this over. If all goes well, it should land in the inbox, right? Nothing's coming through yet. Oh, there it is. Boom. Look at that. Let's open this up now. Look at this. This is coming through. This is coming from Sean@theseadigital.com. That is a professional email address coming from my domain that I own. It's coming through Gmail. And again, this here via Gmail is not a big deal. What we want to do, though, is we want to see what's going on with this SPF. We go up here to the 3 dots in the far right-hand corner, and where it says More, we can click on More. We're going to go all the way down to Show Original. Right up here at the very top, SPF, Pass. That is exactly what you want to see. And if you have that, the chances of your emails landing in spam are going to be reduced dramatically. All right, now this little DMARC thing here that's saying fail, that's just a nuance because we are using Gmail to manage our sending and receiving of emails through that professional email address. So that's not going to affect your emails landing in spam in this case, okay? Now let me show you what to do if you don't have that SPF record yet. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get this out of the way. We're going to go back to our DNS, and what we're going to do here is you go on up. Let's go ahead and make this a little bit smaller, and we're going to click on Add Record. Then we're going to go over to Type, and we're going to click on the drop down, and we're going to go all the way down to TXT. Now in here where it says name required, you can either do @ or you can put the name of your domain name. Again, well, let's just do @. And then content required. Boom. Take what I've got in the description down below, just copy it. Then you're going to come down here and you're going to click on Save. We're going to get an error. Why? Because it already exists. But if it doesn't, that's how you add it. And now you're good to go. That's it for today, everybody. Thanks for watching.